Hi, my name is Nicole Roundtree and I'm with Phillips Motor Company. I want to show you around this 2016 Mercedes GLE we now have for sale. Mileage 127,593. Navigation, heated seats, Bluetooth technology. It does have a sunroof. We have checked the vehicle over in the service department. The vehicle has a couple of minor things wrong. The frontal collision does not work, along with the power liftgate. Let's take a look around the outside. Vehicle has blind spot,